For Land Rover Defender 110 owners seeking to elevate their adventure capabilities, look no further than the comprehensive selection of roof racks and boxes available on Aliexpress. Designed specifically for the 2020 to 2023 models, these accessories are crafted to seamlessly integrate with your Defender, providing enhanced storage solutions and rugged durability for your outdoor excursions. Let's delve into the features and benefits of these essential accessories that promise to transform your Defender into the ultimate adventure companion. Rest assured that all roof racks and boxes for the Land Rover Defender 110 accessories are meticulously designed and tested to meet the highest standards of quality and performance. Engineered to seamlessly integrate with your vehicle's factory mounting points, these accessories offer a perfect fit and hassle-free installation, allowing you to focus on the adventure ahead without compromise.